Hey guys, today I'm throwing this Gransfors Bruks axe at that target. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome to Farm Alarm. My name is Tracy. Today I brought my Gransfors Bruks small forest axe. I'm sure if you guys have been on YouTube very long, you know all about this, probably from Wrangler Star, and every time he does a video about the Gransfors Bruks small forest axe, price goes through the roof. I think I had bought this thing for like 87 bucks. I actually bought 5 of them and sold the other 4 on eBay. Well, the problem is now, I don't know if supply is not up, but these axes are actually getting pretty hard to find for 87 bucks, right? Well, I was on eBay the other day and they were all right around $200, which is crazy. And it's probably because you, Wrangler Star, are probably making too many videos about them. So anyway, we're going to throw this thing at those targets and hopefully I don't bust the head off this handle. All right, so I really don't want to bust the handle out of this, so I'm going to get a few tosses with this Stihl, which is, you know, it's about a $30 axe. It actually works really good for this. You see at the top of it, it has a really nice point, and down here on the beard, it's pointed as well. So this axe really does a good job as a throwing axe. So we're going to get a couple throws in with this first. All right, I think I'm ready. Oh, yeah! I'm gonna leave a link, Amazon link in the description below for this axe right here. Awesome axe. I probably wouldn't go around throwing it at targets all day long, but it is an awesome axe to use, just all around axe. I wanna give a very special thanks to the guys here at Como Axe Attack for letting me throw at their mobile setup here. They do have a brick and mortar store. Visit them at comoaxeattack.com, and if you guys are in the Columbia, Missouri area, be sure to stop and check them out. We'll see you guys on the next video.